Hey guys, Edward Kraatz II. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video with EEKNation. If you haven't seen any of our videos, please check out some of the ones that'll be listed in the taglines above. We thank you so much for joining us again. I wanted to challenge myself, do an original piece based on the man, Christopher Reeve. Talking about that, I mean, who is not excited to see Zack Snyder Justice League cut that's coming to HBO Max? And we're excited with that, with all the movies that are coming out. There are so many to choose from. And really, hey, I'm hoping we could just get back to watching our movies and eating buttered popcorn, because who can't go to the movies without popcorn? I don't know. I don't eat popcorn any other time except for at the movies. And I'm really craving me some popcorn. So come on, man. Come on. All right, if you guys are interested to see any of the new movies, let me know which one. I mean, you have Black Widow, you have Wonder Woman 1984. I mean, hey, The Rock is doing Black Adam. It's going to be, Shazam's arch nemesis. Well, he was in the comics, but here I think because it's The Rock, he'll be an anti-hero. But you've got that. You've got the new Batman, which, if you can't tell, yes, I'm a Batman fan. The announcement of Jeffrey Dean Morgan being Thomas Wayne Batman, Michael Keaton Batman. I mean, that's a lot of Batmans. Love them. I'm excited because, if they did a movie that had 8 different Batmans and the Flashpoint Paradox whole thing told the storyline and we got all these Batmans everywhere, I would absolutely, it's like a Batman heaven. Anyway, enjoy the movie. Movie. It is a movie. Enjoy the video, guys. Let me know what you think, and let me know who you like in those movies, like your favorite characters, and who you want to see me draw next. Feel free to comment. If you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That's always awesome and honored. Hit the subscribe and notification bell. See you guys later in the video. Enjoy. All right, we're moving right along on this one. Sorry about the lighting, really was fighting getting the proper adjustments here. The artwork itself looks a little washed out, but one of the tricks on using the Prismacolor pencils that I have learned is to include just a little bit of layer of white when you're working on certain parts. If you really want those colors to pop, now make sure that you keep your layer thin enough so that you don't cover all the tooth of your paper. That'll make it hard to blend them. So we're just going to move through this. Everything's turning out looking good, and we'll see you guys a little bit later. Well, all right, guys, there you go. There you have it. We're all done with the Christopher Reeve Superman. Tell me what you think. Do you like how it came out? I love it. I think it turned out fantastic. Definitely, since it's the first time I've done anything like that, using the color pencils in that way to create that kind of realistic drawing and approach, I learned a lot. I had a lot of fun doing this video, really challenging myself. As you can see for the end of this video, I donned the man, Batman. That's right, it should be just the man. I donned the Batman. He's my favorite, so I'm not sure. Maybe we'll see a Batman piece coming from me in the future. If there's anybody you want to see me draw, again, like we said earlier, just leave a comment below. Let me know. Tell me what you guys think as far as all the movies that are coming out. When we started this video, we talked about a bunch of different ones. Has your opinion changed on who your favorite characters are, or who you're actually wanting to see in some of these upcoming movies? There are, like we said earlier in the video, a lot of comic book movies coming out, and they're going to be showcasing a lot of different characters. And if you're a comic book fan, you've got to be excited about all that stuff. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.